This is the experimental setup for speed of the machine. As you can see, in this board we have Arduino and LCD. Now machine is ready. We use power supply, and then these have brushless ESC, motor and power supply above this box. As you can see, this is the motor, and this is where we put the workpiece, and this box to cover the speed solution, and here the place to put the solution from this hole, and then we will control to the laptop. We input the Arduino here, and it can control the program. This is we begin with the spin coater system inside the prototype. Firstly, we use Arduino Uno. The programming, we input the programming system into the software Arduino Uno, and we control it through the laptop. And when we insert this, the machine will be initializing, and now it shows, LCD shows that the machine is ready. And then we use power supply of 12 volts equal to 15 ampere, and we use brushless ESC, electronic control speed, to maintain the spin speed and control it. And lastly, this is motor from the hard drive. We take it out from the hard drive, and now we will be testing the machine, and then we will be on the power supply. The program will be controlled through the laptop. Next, we will introduce the program that has been set. We will be run the program, and if we run the program, this is the serial monitor. User need to select the program. We have two programs, which is basic program and recipe program. Basic program, if the user want to use basic program, they need to enter 1 and enter. The program will be run. Now we will be running the program. First, for the basic recipe, as you can see on the LCD, now machine is ready. So when we run the basic recipe, enter 1. As you can see, the motor will be running, and on the LCD will show basic program running. This is for the initial stage. It runs at 2000 RPM, and after 20 seconds it will increase to 5000 RPM for 60 seconds. Now it will be slowly increasing the speed until it achieves 5000 RPM. As you can see, the motor is really fast. We use PWM, pulse width modulation, to give information for the motor to run 500 RPM at which pulse they needed. We use 70 degree until 150 degree pulse, and maximum is 150 degree pulse equal to 5000 RPM. When we enter 5000 RPM, it will read as 150 degree pulse. and it will send the information to the motor. After 60 seconds, the motor will decelerate, as you can see, and then the machine will stop. Next, if the user want to continue with the recipe program, they need to enter 2 and enter. So they need to enter the initial speed. Initial speed at the deposition stage. For example, we input 1000 RPM, enter. And time they need to run the deposition stage. For example, we run for 20 seconds. And then we need to select the speed for enter the speed for the spin up stage for 5000 RPM, maybe for 30 seconds. And then speed we enter for 2500 RPM for 10 seconds for an example. And then after we enter, as you can see, it will show the recipe program initial run. LCD will show it. As we set for 10 seconds, it will be run for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, as you can see, LCD says spin up run. So spin up run, it will increasing the speed for 5000 RPM for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you can see it will enter the spin off stage where we set for 2500 RPM. So the machine will decelerate until 2500 RPM for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it will decelerate and the motor will be stopped.